Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. If you travel abroad and your Wi-Fi doesn't work, what will you do? You would probably panic, right? In this video, you will learn how to handle that situation in English. I think this is very useful for anyone learning English, especially if you like traveling, so please watch until the end. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Why couldn't Ken and Mina receive the confirmation email at the airport? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comment section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, are you ready? Let's begin.
We made it! I'm so happy!
I can't believe we're really here. Our first time in another country.
The flight was so long. My legs hurt.
Me too. I couldn't sleep on the plane at all.
But we're finally here. Look at this airport. Everything looks so different. The signs, the language, the people.
This airport is really big, much bigger than the one back home, and there are so many people everywhere.
I can hear so many different languages. It feels exciting, right?
Yes, but I'm a little nervous too.
Don't worry. We planned everything. It will be fine.
You're right. Okay, first, let's connect to Wi-Fi.
Good idea. I want to check the map to our hotel.
And I want to send a message to my family. They're waiting to hear from us.
Look, there's a sign over there on the wall. It says free Wi-Fi.
Oh, great. Free Wi-Fi. That's exactly what we need. Let's try it.
I opened the settings on my phone. I can see the Wi-Fi name on the list.
I see it too. I'll tap on it.
It says connected. The signal is full.
Same here. Let me try opening a website.
I'll try the map app.
The page is loading. It's still loading.
Mine too. It's just spinning and spinning.
The signal is full, but nothing loads. That's strange.
Why is it so slow?
I don't know. Let's wait a little more.
It's been 1 minute. Still nothing.
Something is wrong.
Let's sit down on that bench over there. We can check our phones carefully.
Good idea. My feet are tired from walking.
Let me try something. I read that turning airplane mode on and off sometimes helps with connection problems.
Oh, I heard that too. Try it.
Okay. Airplane mode on, and now off. Let me wait a few seconds.
Did it work?
No, it still doesn't work. The page is still spinning.
Let me try something different. I'll turn off Wi-Fi and turn it on again.
Good, try that.
I did it, but it still doesn't work. This is frustrating.
Let me restart my phone. That usually fixes things.
I'll restart mine too. I hope this works.
It's turning on again. Let me check.
How is it?
It still doesn't work. I don't understand.
I tried 3 things and nothing works.
Wait, maybe it's my eSIM. I set up my eSIM before the trip. Let me check the settings.
Oh, right. I set mine up too.
I see the problem. My phone is still using my Japanese line, not the eSIM.
Oh, mine too. Let me change it.
Okay, I switched to the eSIM, but it says no signal. I think the eSIM hasn't been activated yet.
Mine says the same thing. No signal. So the eSIM is not working either.
That's bad. We should have checked this before we left Japan.
I know. I feel so foolish. What do we do now?
Let me try the airport Wi-Fi again. There's a login page this time.
What does it say?
It says I need to enter my email address. Then they will send a confirmation email.
Okay, let's try that. I'll type my email.
I typed mine too. I'll tap Send.
Let's wait for the email.
I'm waiting, but the email is not coming.
Me neither. Nothing.
Wait, we need internet to receive the email, but our internet isn't working, so we can't get the email.
Oh, so we need internet to get internet.
Yes, that doesn't make sense, does it?
No, it really doesn't.
This is a big problem. What should we do?
I don't know. I'm getting worried.
I have an idea. Let's rent a pocket Wi-Fi. Many airports have rental counters.
A pocket Wi-Fi? That's a good idea. We can carry it with us everywhere.
Yes, and it works outside the airport too. Let's look for a counter.
There should be one somewhere in this airport. Let's walk this way.
I see some shops over there. Maybe it's near those shops.
Maybe. Let's go and check.
I don't see it here. Let's keep walking.
Wait, look over there. I can see a sign. It says Wi-Fi rental.
Oh, good. Let's go.
Wait, the shutter is down. It looks dark inside.
No way. It can't be closed.
It is. There's nobody inside.
Is there a sign with the business hours?
Yes, let me read it. It says, open 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
8 p.m. What time is it now?
It's 9:30 p.m., so it closed 1.5 hours ago.
We're too late. We missed it.
Oh no, this is the worst timing.
I'm sorry. I didn't think about this.
It's not your fault. I didn't think about it either.
So we have no internet, no Wi-Fi, no eSIM, nothing.
This is really bad. I feel lost without my phone.
I know, but we can't stay at the airport all night. We have to go to the hotel without internet.
Can we do that?
We have to try. It will be okay.
You're right. Let's try. We can do this.
Okay, first I need to find the way to the hotel.
Can you open the map app?
Let me try. No, I can't use the map right now. We didn't download an offline map before the trip. Do you know the way from memory?
I think the hotel is somewhere near the city center, but I'm not very good with directions.
I know. Let's not guess. Let's ask someone.
Good idea. Look, there's an information counter over there.
Let's go. Excuse me, can you help us? We're trying to get to our hotel. Here, this is the hotel name and address. We have it on paper.
She's explaining something. She's talking pretty fast.
I heard the word bus. Did she say bus?
I think so. She said, take the bus, and something about 30 minutes.
30 minutes by bus. That's not too far. What bus number? Can you ask? Excuse me, sorry. What is the bus number?
She said some other words too, something about a timetable and bus stop locations. I didn't understand all of it.
She was very kind and tried to help, but I couldn't understand everything. I wanted to use my translation app, but I can't use it right now because we don't have internet.
That's okay. What did you understand?
I got the bus number. It's number 7, and the bus stop is outside the airports to the left.
Number 7, outside, left. That's enough. Let's go.
Thank you very much. You were very helpful.
Thank you so much.
Okay, let's go outside. Come with me.
I see the bus stop. It's right over there. I can see a bench and a sign.
Good. Let me check the sign. Yes, it says bus number 7. We're in the right place.
When is the next bus?
The electronic sign says the next bus comes in 10 minutes.
Okay, let's wait. It's cold out here at night.
Yes, but at least the sky is clear. I can see a lot of stars.
That's nice. It's quiet here too. I feel a little calmer now.
The bus is here. Let's get on.
How do we pay?
I'm not sure. Let me ask. Excuse me, how much is the bus fare?
He said $3.
$3. Okay, I have some coins. I changed money at the airport. Here you go.
Good. We're on the bus. Let's sit here. These 2 seats are empty.
I hope this is the right bus. I'm worried we might miss our stop.
The staff said it takes about 30 minutes. Let me set a timer on my phone. The timer doesn't need internet.
That's smart. And let's watch for the hotel name outside the window.
Good idea. Let's both watch carefully.
Look outside. The city looks beautiful at night. All the lights are so bright.
You're right. It is beautiful. I almost forgot we're on a trip.
We were too busy worrying.
That's true.
Wait, I think this is our stop. I can see a big hotel sign.
Yes, that's our hotel name. Let's get off.
We made it to the hotel. I'm so relieved.
I can't believe it. We actually found it without a map. Let's go inside and check in. I just want to get to our room.
Me too. I'm exhausted. It has been a long night. The lobby looks nice. It's warm in here.
Yes, it feels so good after being outside in the cold.
Hello. Good evening. We have a reservation. The name is Tanaka.
Here is my passport.
And here is mine.
She's checking the computer. I hope there's no problem.
She found it. She's smiling. She's giving us the room key card.
Oh, good. Thank you very much.
Thank you. What floor is our room on?
She said the 5th floor, room 512.
5th floor, room 512. Got it. Thank you.
Let's take the elevator. I can see it over there.
This way. Almost there. Just a few more minutes, and we can rest. Here it is. Room 512.
Let me use the key card. It's open.
Finally, we're in our room. I can relax now.
Oh, the room is nice. It's clean and warm.
And it's bigger than I expected.
I'm going to sit on this bed.
Me too. I'm so tired.
I was really scared today.
Me too. It was a tough day.
Think about everything that happened. The Wi-Fi was connected, but we couldn't use it.
Right. The signal was full, but nothing loaded.
And then we tried to get a confirmation email, but we needed internet to receive the email, and our internet wasn't working.
That was funny. We needed internet to get internet.
And the Wi-Fi rental counter was closed.
That was the worst part. I really wanted to give up.
And we couldn't use the map because we didn't download it before the trip. You said, I think it's this way. I was so worried.
Sorry about that. I'm really not good with directions.
But we asked for help at the information counter, and we found the right bus.
We did it together.
That was stressful, but we did it.
We learned something today, didn't we?
Yes, like what?
Like checking the eSIM settings before we arrive. We should make sure it's activated while we're still in Japan.
That's true. And we should download an offline map before we leave. That way, we can use the map even without internet.
Right. If we had the offline map, today would have been much easier.
And maybe we should write down important information on paper, like the hotel name, the address, the phone number, and the bus routes. I'm glad I at least had the hotel name on paper today.
That saved us. Paper doesn't need Wi-Fi.
That's true. Paper always works.
Next time, we'll prepare better.
But you know what? This is part of travel. Things don't always go as planned.
That's true, and that's what makes it interesting. We learn new things every time.
You sound very cool right now, but you were scared too.
I was, but now I feel proud. We solved the problem by ourselves. No internet, no map, no translation app. And we still made it.
We didn't give up. We asked for help and we figured it out.
Exactly.
Okay, I feel much better now. Let's rest. Tomorrow will be a good day.
Tomorrow we can explore the city. With internet this time.
Yes, with internet. That will be so nice. I can finally message my family too.
Let's sleep. Good night.
Good night. And hey, thank you for today. I'm glad I'm not traveling alone.
Me too. I'm glad we're together.
Okay, good night.
Good night.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. So here is today's question one more time. Why couldn't Ken and Mina receive the confirmation email at the airport? Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. Even one sentence is perfect. On this channel, I share slow and easy English stories that help you build listening skills and real-life conversation ability. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to leave a comment with your answer. Also, I have started a channel membership. If you'd like to support this channel, please feel free to consider joining. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.